What's up, everybody? Today we're diving into something seriously wild. 20 bizarre ways to burn calories. You won't believe some of the things we've got lined up. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Because I know I am. We're talking about burning calories without even hitting the gym. Get ready to ditch the treadmill and unlock the secrets to burning calories in the most unexpected ways. Let's do this. First up, we're kicking things off with a good chuckle. Studies have shown that just 10 to 15 minutes of laughter can burn up to 40 calories. So, next time you're feeling stressed, put on a funny movie or watch some hilarious animal videos. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, and it turns out it's a pretty good calorie burner too. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of chewing gum. Chewing gum actually burns a surprising number of calories. So, pop in a piece of sugar-free gum after meals or whenever you're feeling peckish. Your jaw will get a workout and you'll be one step closer to your fitness goals. This one's for all my fellow fidgeters out there. Your fidgeting might actually be helping you burn calories. It's called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So, embrace your fidgety nature. Every little movement counts. Remember, fidgeting isn't just a quirk, it's a calorie-burning superpower. Get ready to chill out and burn calories at the same time. Drinking cold water is a simple yet effective way to give your metabolism a little boost. Your body has to work harder to bring that cold water up to its normal temperature. So ditch the sugary drinks and opt for a refreshing glass of ice-cold water instead. Remember, water is life, and it turns out it's a calorie-burning secret weapon too. Standing up more often is one of the easiest ways to burn extra calories throughout the day. When you stand, you engage your leg muscles, improve your posture, and boost your circulation. Studies have shown that standing burns about 50 more calories per hour than sitting, so get up and move around every chance you get. Remember, sitting is the new smoking, so get up and get moving. Who knew that cleaning could actually be good for you? All that scrubbing, sweeping, and vacuuming can really get your heart rate up and burn some serious calories. So, crank up the music, grab your cleaning supplies, and get to work. Remember, a clean house is a happy house, and it turns out it's a healthier house too. Attention all pet owners. Playing with your pet is not only a great way to bond with them, but it's also a fantastic workout for you. So grab your furry friend, head outside, and get ready for some calorie-burning fun. Remember, a tired dog is a happy dog, and a tired owner is a fit owner. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator or escalator is one of the easiest ways to sneak in some extra exercise throughout the day. So next time you're faced with the choice, ditch the elevator and opt for the stairs instead. Remember, every step counts. Get ready to turn up the music and dance your way to a healthier you. Dancing is a fantastic way to burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health. So, put on your favorite playlist, let loose, and dance like nobody's watching. Remember, life is a dance floor, so get out there and shine. Gardening is a rewarding and enjoyable way to get some exercise, soak up some vitamin D, and burn calories without even realizing it. So grab your gardening gloves, head outside, and get your hands dirty. Your body and your garden will thank you for it. Calling all shopaholics. Did you know that your retail therapy sessions could actually be good for your waistline? Shopping can actually burn a surprising number of calories. So, grab your shopping buddy, head to your favorite mall, and get ready to shop till you drop calories, that is. Remember, a little retail therapy never hurt anyone, especially if it helps you burn calories. Calling all foodies. Did you know that cooking can actually be a great way to burn calories? All that chopping, stirring, and moving around the kitchen really adds up. So ditch the takeout menus and get cooking. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you for it. Gamers rejoice. Playing video games might not seem like the most active pastime, but it can actually be a great way to burn calories and improve your hand-eye coordination. We're talking about active games that get you up and moving, like dance games, fitness games, and virtual reality games. So, grab your controllers, put on your gaming headset, and get ready to level up your fitness. Remember, gaming can be good for you too. Brushing your teeth is something we all do every day, so why not turn it into a mini workout? Try brushing your teeth a little more vigorously for a full 2 minutes. You'll be surprised at how much of a workout your arm and jaw muscles get. So grab your toothbrush, crank up the tunes, and get brushing. Remember, every little bit counts. Stretching is essential for improving flexibility, preventing injuries, and reducing muscle soreness. Even though stretching might not seem like the most strenuous activity, it still requires your muscles to work, and that burns calories. So take a few minutes each day to stretch out your muscles. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, a flexible body is a happy body. Calling all shower singers and karaoke kings and queens. Did you know that belting out your favorite tunes can actually help you burn calories? Singing engages your core muscles, improves your lung capacity, and can even give your heart rate a little boost. So crank up the music, grab a hairbrush microphone, and sing your heart out. Remember, life is a song, so sing it loud and proud. Sitting for prolonged periods has been linked to a myriad of health problems, from weight gain to heart disease. Standing desks allow you to work on your computer while standing up, which helps you burn more calories, improve your posture, and reduce your risk of developing certain health problems. So, if you're looking for a simple way to improve your health and well-being, consider investing in a standing desk. Your body will thank you for it. Attention all music lovers. Playing a musical instrument is not only a fun and rewarding hobby, but it can also be a great way to burn calories and improve your coordination. So, dust off that old guitar, pick up a new instrument, and start jamming. Your body and your brain will thank you for it. Indulging in a relaxing hot bath is a great way to unwind after a long day. But did you know that it can also help you burn calories? Soaking in a hot bath can raise your body temperature, which forces your body to work harder to cool itself down. So, draw yourself a hot bath, add some Epsom salts or essential oils, and enjoy the calorie-burning benefits. Remember, self-care is important, and it can even help you reach your fitness goals. We're ending this list on a high note with another dose of laughter. As we mentioned earlier, laughing is not only good for the soul, but it's also good for your body. So, make time for laughter every day. Watch a funny movie, spend time with loved ones, or just embrace the absurdity of life. Remember, laughter is the best medicine and a pretty good calorie burner too. And there you have it, folks. 20 bizarre ways to burn calories that you won't believe. I hope this video has inspired you to find creative ways to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Remember, every little bit counts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and leave a comment down below letting me know which of these bizarre calorie-burning tips you're going to try first. Stay active and stay awesome.